Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today we have a special one for you guys. We are talking about how to deposit money on Coinbase and buy crypto. So, what you're going to want to do is go on coinbase.com. It'll bring you to this screen, and then we're going to go onto this icon, click on Settings, go on Payment Methods, and then Add Payment Method. We are going to click on Add Bank Account because you can deposit the most amount of money and it's the fastest withdrawal and deposit time out of all of these options. There's also the debit card option, wire transfer, direct deposit, and gift if you have nice enough friends. So let's click on Bank Account. Plaid is one of the most secure platforms and it keeps all your info safe, so we can trust Plaid. We're going to click Continue. Now it gives you an option to choose your bank account. If you don't see your bank account here, you can just simply type it in. Most likely, Plaid supports your bank account and you'll be able to find it. So we're going to go with Chase. And now we have to quickly authenticate our bank account in order to proceed. So we click Continue. Now you're at your bank account's login screen. Once you type in your login, you click Sign In. And then once you do that, your Coinbase and your bank account are linked and you are able to make deposits and buy crypto. So let's go on Buy, Sell. And now there are three options. There's Buy, Sell, and Convert. We're going to stay on the Buy option. And it gives you some choices of how much money you'd like to deposit and buy some Bitcoin. Or you can buy any other coin that Coinbase supports. So let's go back. Let's go to Custom. And you can buy up to $3,000 worth per day. And so let's go with 500. And now you can see that you're buying Bitcoin and you're paying with your Chase account or your bank account that you've linked. You're going to click on Preview Buy and then submit your order. And then you will instantaneously have your crypto in your wallet. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.